What's up, everybody on YouTube? I'm gonna be going for round 2 on this twisted steel stock here. I'm gonna heat up this end, more narrow piece, see if we can't pound it into a blade. And I'm just using single burner cheapo forge and my cheapo Vevor anvil and a couple persuasion sticks. Yeah, we'll see. We'll start the heat up process here. All right, we're about at that really bright red hot level, and that's what you want to try to move some metal. Otherwise, you're going to be fighting it the whole time, and we don't want to do that. Take it out long enough to get a couple good strikes on it until I see the glow go away, and then I know at that point I'm just putting more work into it than necessary. So all the way out up to the handle. It's about 95 degrees outside here, so yeah, I'm sweating pretty good, but that's how you know you're having fun. One thing I've learned with shaping out steel is you want to set it up to where you have to do the least amount of grinding and finish work as possible. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do, try to get the blade as thin as possible, stretched out as possible, and as straight as possible, so I have to do less cutting and grinding when we're all said and done. So now that we got the metal pretty far thinned out, I'm just going to focus on straightening it to a good point. So I'm going to use probably a smaller hammer. I got this framer's hammer that's a little lighter. It's easier to get better control on, right? It does have a grid on the front, but I think it'll be fine. You just grind out whatever marks it leaves. Okay, we're just about at a good point. The main goal today was to hammer out one side to where I could cut and shape a blade out of it. And I might make that a separate video just for the sake of time. We pretty much got just about where we want to be. I'm just going to spend a little bit of time shaping it. Making sure it's nice and straight and uniform the way I like it, so that way when I do cut and grind it, there's a lot less work that has to go into it. Ensure that it's straight. Really straighten up to me. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with that. That's just not good. And I'll do the rest of the shaping and cutting and grinding to make it look like a more uniform blade. But yeah, we're gonna work with that. So stick around for my next video. I will put together a video of me actually shaping this thing out, and we'll see where it takes us. Yeah. Thank you very much, and as always, stay cool, and you guys have a good weekend.